interior design na to.
May I have your attention, please? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2012 Furniture Trade Show. With pride and honor, I would like to present to you our La Familia Wood Carvings Collection, specially designed by our baby, our new designer, Lorraine.
Lorraine?
Only Lorraine to talk more about our designs. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Lorraine! Once again, Lorraine! In behalf of La Familia Furniture, I regret that Lorraine cannot join us today. Nagkaroon po siya ng emergency. Anyway, you can visit our office or our website if you want to see more of her designs. Maraming salamat po.